Hello everyone, this is
Hi,
Faraz and
it's me, Faria.
alright, so now we're going to connect Sphero.
Yeah. Wait,
First,
the Sphero was dead before.
yeah, this is what I'm gonna test.
Yeah.
Okay, so here, looking for bots.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, this is Sphero.
We were supposed to do the orange one.
No, let's do this one first. Look, because
Okay.
we've created a program. Okay, it's
Wait.
connected.
Hey,
See?
it's not dead. It's
Yes,
not
it's
dead.
not dead. I told you. Okay, so today we'll learn about loops. So this is my sample program. But before we do this program, let's quickly understand that what is meant by loops. Okay. All right. So I am first going to perform a program. So this is our program. Faria, look, I'm gonna run this program and tell me why it's not working. See, it's not working. You can see Sphero is not moving. Why is that?
Because you need to put it on this black thing that says on stop program.
Oh, really? Okay. Let's do that. All right, and here you go.
Now
Perfect.
we can try it.
Yep. And now let's test it. And now you can see, yep, Sphero is moving.
I
Perfect.
told you.
Well done, Faria. Okay, so here, next thing is we are going to duplicate this program because we want to repeat this function.
Dad, actually, I'm so thirsty.
Oh, you can drink water. I'll give you
Hey,
water.
where's the water? Oh my god.
Okay, so now you
Okay.
can see, Faria, this program is repeating itself 4 times, okay? And now I'm gonna test it, and you can see that Sphero is gonna move 4 times.
But why is everything the same?
Yeah, everything is same because we just want to repeat this function. Now, instead of writing this code multiple times, what we can do is to use a loop. Okay.
Can we do like this one, like pink to blue?
Definitely we can. That's not a problem. But let's first understand what is a loop. So I'm going to go in controls and select a loop. And then in that loop, I am going to run this program 4 times. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm going to copy this one here inside the loop. And Faria, how many times should I do that?
Full.
Well done. And now,
But
after that,
but that actually makes sense.
yeah, that makes sense because now it is very simple code. Instead of repeating that thing multiple times, duplicating that, we can simply run this one once. Okay, now gonna click on start and oh wow, it's working. I told you, Faria. So this is how we use loops. So loop means we can have an instruction inside a loop and that would repeat it.
Because you're supposed to connect it to this black thing, so
Oh
that's
yeah,
why
I
it's
did that.
working.
Okay, so that's our lesson about loops. You want to say something?
Yeah. Like and subscribe, everybody. Enjoy.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.